Huh. Why are you trying to break the fourth wall? 'Cause I can. You're still grounded. I'm gonna ground you even more for breaking the fourth wall. What? Yes. Broke the fourth wall. This makes no sense. I don't care. Now go to your room, you dummy. Hug. I'm gonna go rest. Ah. I hate him. Why does he always do this? I gotta get revenge on him somehow. I know how to get revenge. I left my boxing gloves right there. This is the plan. I'm gonna punch Redbird with the boxing glove. That way, he'll knock him out. And that way, I can get my revenge. Just gotta get him. Yes. Hey, Redbird. Pinky, what are you doing? Something I should have done a long time ago. Like when? I don't know, like 2011 or 2012. Anyways, take this. I did it. It feels so nice to do it. Uh-oh. Now it's my turn. Oh. You're grounded.